Nest boxes provide a place for birds to lay their eggs and raise their young throughout the spring and summer. After the birds are done laying eggs in the fall, it is time to clean the nest boxes out for the next generation to use. It is best to wear gloves when cleaning the nest box. When you arrive at the nest box, knock on the side to ensure there are no occupants inside. There will likely be a nail that holds the nest box closed, so you will need to remove it to open the box. You will need to document what types of materials can be found inside. We will provide you with a data sheet for this. On the data sheet, there is a section for what materials the nest is made out of, such as leaves, twigs, moss, or other materials. After you have gathered your data, collect the contents of the box and put it into a garbage bag. Sweep out the last bit of material. Sometimes we add wood shavings to the bottom of the nest box to help give the birds a head start in building their nest. An ELT staff member will tell you if you need to add them, since we only do this for certain species. That's all. Close the door and reinsert the nail so that the nest box is clean and ready to go for next year.